back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup video on how to apply different types of eyeliner, and I'm going to use a bunch of products trying to do that look. So if you want to know what are the products that I use, you can check my description box down below. I'll list all the products that I use, and also if you want to see more of these type of videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like the content, and let's go! Okay, so today I'm going to show you different types of eyeliner looks that you can create, and for that I'm going to use a few different products. I'm going to use a few colored liners like these, and I'm going to use a few black liners like these. Okay, so today I'm going to start with a very basic eyeliner look. The first one that we are going to do is the basicest eyeliner look that every girl does on everyday basis. So for that I have two options to use. First is Mars eyeliner and the second one is Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. So for this look I'm going to go in with the Mars eyeliner because I feel this is a lot easier to work with compared to the Maybelline one. So I'm going to take a fine tip brush like this one, and I'm going to dip it in my gel eyeliner a little bit. We start with the center of our eyes because we don't want it to be thick, and we are going to make it as thin as we possibly can. So this is the most basic eyeliner look that we can create on everyday basis. So to do the second type of eyeliner that we can do using a simple black eyeliner is to wing it out. To wing it out, I'm going to take a little more product on my brush, and I'm going to start from the lower outer corner and flick it up. Okay, so this is the second type of eyeliner that you can do using a simple eyeliner like a gel eyeliner or a liquid eyeliner, just one single color black eyeliner. So the next thing that I'm going to do is the third type. The third type is we are going to slightly drag the eyeliner to our inner corner. Now the next type of eyeliner that I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to make this eyeliner that you can see already I have done, and I'm going to take a little bit of gold liquid liner or gold gel liner, whichever you find, and I'm going to overline the black. For the fourth type of eyeliner that I have done is just a simple black winged eyeliner which has a little bit of inner corner definition to it, and I have lined the upper border of this black liner with a golden liner to give it a little pop of color and make it a little more glamorous. This is the fifth type of eyeliner that I have done. It is a very drama, bold kind of a look. If you want to go for this, you can totally pull it off with a very red lipstick or very neutral kind of lipstick. This looks very fabulous on any type of eye shape. And moving on to the next look, moving on to the sixth eyeliner look that we are going to do today is a glitter look. For this, I'm going to use this eyeliner as a base, and I'm going to cover this eyeliner look with a little bit of glitter to make it pop. So for this look, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara because or else you won't be able to see my lashes at all, because this eyeliner is so glittery. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara to my lashes. Okay, so I'll give you a hack. If you want a pop of color like a red or a maroon and you don't have that kind of color in your eyeliner, so you can use a lipstick. I'm using Swiss Beauty Matte Lipstick in shade number S18. And then using another clean brush, I'm going to start by flicking out a wing from the outer corner. And that's how you do an ombre liner. First you start off with a color liner and then you flick it out with a black liner. Or you can do the back opposite. You can start with a black liner and flick it out with a color liner. So moving on to the next eyeliner look that I'm going to create, I'm going to use a black gel eyeliner first, and I'm going to create a small wing starting from the center. After making a small liner like this, I didn't make a wing with it, and I'm just slowly going to pull it inside the lower lash line. the next type of eyeliner. It is very simple, very everyday kind of a look. So for this, I have done the upper lash line. I have simply copied the shape of my eyelid on the upper eye and slightly brought it down to the lower lash line, and that's the look. For the next look, we are going to do a fisheye look. For that, I'm going to drag a wing out. After doing our outer wing, we are just going to copy our both of our eyes and just we are going to continue bringing it down. And for the next look, we are going to take this fish eyeliner and we are going to give it a pop of color. For that, I'm using a white silver kind of eyeliner. And this is the next eyeliner look. We just took the fish eyeliner look that we already had going on and we just added a pop of silver color to it. Almost silverish white color to it, to the wing and to the hood of the eye. And for the next look, we are going to create a very, very bold eyeliner look. For that, I'm going to start from the center of my eye. Okay, so this right here is a very bold eyeliner look. It is very thick, and if you want to do this look, always remember to go neutral with your lips because you do not want the attention to be put both on your eyes and your lips. So go light on either one of those. Do not go heavy on both of those at the same time. And for the next look that I'm going to do, I'm going to use a pink shimmer kind of pink glitter kind of eyeliner, and I'm going to continue with my bold liner, and I'm going to apply this to the center part, leaving a black border around it. This is a very bold look. For this, I have done a black border, a black bold eyeliner, and then I have filled it in with a shimmery pink eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner if you want, any color you want. You can use a matte gel eyeliner in blue, green, pink, purple, whatever, or you can follow me and do a shimmery eyeliner. So that was it, guys. That was it for this video. If you like the eyeliner looks that I created in this video, please let me know by liking this video. And if you think I should create more video content like this video, please let me know down in the comments down below. And if you like this video, if you like me, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see next. You can subscribe to my channel right here, you can check out my previous video right here, you can check out my most favorite playlist down there. And thank you for watching.